にちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today, vocabulary video number 37. Let's learn how to say remember in Japanese. Actually, in Japanese, we've got 3 words to say remember, and I'm sure that many people don't know which to use. They are these 3. The first, 思い出す。The second, 覚えます。And the third, this is the third form of this 覚えます and 覚えています。And I'm going to explain you the differences. At first, 思い出します。As you see, this is 思います to think and 出します so together. Both 思い出します。I explained you what is the meaning of 思います in my grammar video number 106. Let's analyze the kanji. 思い this here we've got 心 the heart. So 思い this is emotional feeling or emotional thought 思い and the verb 出します it means to pull out the emotional feeling. This is 思い出します From this verb 思い出します there's a noun 思い出思い出 it means recollection or memories. To write memories in Japanese, we can use 2 kanjis. The first one 思い出 and second one with this. We usually use this first kanji because this includes in joyo kanji. But the second one, it's not in joyo kanji. So you can usually use this 思い出 with this kanji. You might see this second kanji 思い出 maybe in the literature or in the song, in the lyrics, because this 思い出 it expresses stronger emotion. But anyway, you can use 思い出 with this first kanji. Look at this drawing. This is the person and this is the brain. So there's something in the brain in the past. This is like a past experience. Then I pull out this experience. This is 思い出す to remember. So you have to have some experiences and there was inside. Then you recall. And when you suddenly remember something that you thought you were forgetting, but something, I remember. And in this case, we use 思い出す. I'm trying, but I can't remember. What was it? I don't remember. In this case, we use this grammar, dictionary form and こと. So 思い出すこと. This is the noun. And 思い出すことができます. I can remember. 思い出すことができません. I can't remember. In JLPT level 4, we can say the same sentence like 思い出せます、思い出せません。あの人の名前を思い出すことができません。あの人の名前を思い出すことができません。あの人の名前なんだっけな。As I saw the picture, I remembered my mother. 写真を見て、お母さんのことを思い出しました。写真を見て、お母さんのことを思い出しました。Here, I used お母さんのこと instead of only お母さん。What's this? This is really Japanese style of expression. You don't translate a different way if I say 私 or 私のこと。In English, only you say me and あなたのこと。Also, this is only you. To say, do you like me? 私が好き? And it sounds too direct. So we say 私のことが好き and this sounds better. This sounds indirect. When I say 私のこと, it means me, but all that I've got. It means my face, my character, my behavior, and what I do. So when I say お母さんのこと, it means her face, her behavior, and what what she did to me, what she prepared for lunch, for example. So when we say のこと, it means this person or this thing and all that belong to this person or this thing. Remember last year. It means remember what happened last year. 去年 last year. 今年 this year. 来年 next year. 去年のことを思い出してください。去年のことを思い出してください。Now the second verb, also remember, 覚えます。In English, we translate the same way to remember, but there's a huge difference between 思い出します and 覚えます。The first kanji, 応募, but this is very similar to this one, right? 学校。学校 it means school, and also this 学 it means to learn, 学びます。So something to learn. And this part of kanji is 見ます。見ます it means to see or to watch. So to see or to watch and learn. So 覚えます means to remember, but to memorize, to learn, and to retain in your head. Look at this drawing. 覚える is something that it is outside of us, but this is gonna be inside of our head because we learn. So you see, this is completely different. 思い出す you pull out your memories to going outside, but 覚える going inside. So something outside and go into your brain. Memorize 5 kanjis by tomorrow. 明日までに漢字を5つ覚えてください。覚えてください。明日までに漢字を5つ覚えてください。Professor Sato can't remember or can't memorize all of students' names. 佐藤先生は生徒の名前を全部覚えることができません。佐藤先生は生徒の名前を全部覚えることができません。I must learn or I must memorize the names of the rivers in the world by the exam of geography. The geography, we say 地理。the exam, 試験。The world, 世界。地理の試験までに世界の川の名前を覚えなければなりません。地理の試験までに世界の川の名前を覚えなければなりません。Now the last verb, 覚えています。This is from 覚えます and 手 form 覚えて and います。This means the state. This means what you learned or what you had an experience. So this kind of things is in your brain and that's here. It is retaining. So this state of the retaining of this experience and memories and these kind of things is 覚えています。Not only about the experience or studies, but also for the emotion and feeling. And what you had some kind of emotions before, still you retain this experience in your mind. So this is also 覚えています。This is the drawing that express 覚えている because it retain in your mind. You see the difference? 覚える it's something you memorize. And 覚えている you remember in your head. 思い出す is to pull out this emotion or to pull out your thought. So 思い出す and remember. And 覚えている is also remember, but it means I retain in my mind. So this states, this is 覚えている. This is the difference. Do you remember me? 私のことを覚えていますか？私のことを覚えていますか？私のこと覚えてる？ My grandson was only 2 years old, so he doesn't remember going to Disneyland at all. 孫はまだ2歳でしたからディズニーランドへ行ったことを全然覚えていません。孫はまだ2歳でしたからディズニーランドへ行ったことを全然覚えていません。I remember seeing her. 彼女に会ったことを覚えています。彼女に会ったことを覚えています。Now before the exam, I'm gonna use 3 verbs. Last week, I learned or I memorized 10 kanjis. But now, I just can't recall. I don't remember. 先週、漢字を10覚えました。でも、今、思い出すことができません。今、思い出すことができません。覚えていません。Now a quiz time with 5 questions, 5 translations into Japanese. If this is only 3 questions, maybe you are very smart. Then you think, one of them is 思い出す and 覚える and 覚えています。So, this not only 3, but 5 questions. 1番目 It's difficult to memorize 5 kanjis every day. 2番目 Do you remember how to read this kanji? 3番目 Please memorize the password. Password, we say パスワード。パスワード。So, please remember password. 4番目 I don't remember the password. 5番目、最後です。Remember the password, please. It means, you don't remember the password? It's important. Please remember the password. Please. I hope you liked this video and now you can understand much better the differences between 思い出す、覚える、覚えている, these kind of things. Remember. I really hope that more people can know my channel and my videos. So if you can help me sharing my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. I appreciate your like and also subscription. And please send me some comments. いかがでしたか？今日は私たち日本人にとってもちょっと難しい思い出します、覚えます、覚えています。この3つの動詞の違いを説明しました。英語に訳すと結局は remember ですからどうやって説明しようかなといろいろ本当にたくさん考えました。このビデオがいいなと思ってくださったらぜひいいねボタン忘れないでお願いします。そしてチャンネル登録、それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても助かります。ぜひお願いします。もっとたくさんの人に私のビデオを使って日本語を勉強してほしいなと本当に心から願っています。ですから私のビデオ、私のチャンネルを紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいんです。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。